Hello folks. In the previous video, we spinned up our virtual machine, which is nothing but a Ubuntu virtual machine on Azure cloud. And in this tutorial, what I'm going to do is we are going to log into our virtual environment using a client tool called Putty. Okay, so I have a Putty client tool installed on my system. If I say Putty in the search bar, it will show the Putty app here. So if I click on Putty app, I will be provided with this option. Okay, so let's basically copy only this much uh, text. Okay, provide the host name or IP address here. So if you provide AI enable, which is nothing but our user ID at this IP, it will automatically get ourselves entered using our user ID, and the port, as I said, port is already automatically taken as port number 32, which was matching with this port number. So click on open, and then you can see the using username AI enable, which we created earlier, and the password which we provided while spinning up this virtual machine. So provide that password. Okay, so once I entered password and click enter, you can see that you are inside your virtual machine now, which is nothing but a Ubuntu virtual machine. All right, if you type ls, you can see there is nothing inside it, right? If you want to see where exactly are you in the path, then you can create pwd, and you can see that you are inside slash home slash AI enable. Okay, if you do cd, sorry, let's say if I want to create a directory, mkdir my directory. Okay, if you do ls, you can see that your directory created here, right? So guys, this is your um, Ubuntu environment now, and you can do whatever you want in this Ubuntu environment, right? And you can see various system details here. All right, so guys, this is it from this video, and hope you liked it, because we actually spinned up, not only spinned up our virtual machine which was related to Ubuntu, but we also provided the credentials to enter inside that virtual machine, and we can make use of this virtual machine for any task which we want to do with respect to this operating system, Ubuntu operating system. Okay, so guys, this is it for this video. If you like this video, please hit on like button, as well as subscribe for this video. So keep on watching. Thank you.